Hello and welcome back to ComputerCraft. What I'm going to do this time is, as you know, in the last episode, I wrote out all the API, and I did run into quite a few problems. Fortunately, which I've actually solved now. But what I'm going to do is just show. I intended to. I produced a series of clips, which we're going to show. Went through the problems and some of the changes I had to make. To get to the stage I'm at now, and obviously in the next episode it will be forward. But anyway, these are the clips. So yeah, okay, yeah. So I'm not going to quite end it here because what I had to do is I went back in and I actually looked through and I realised I actually put Y before Z, and I should have put Z before Y, and also I didn't close the RedNet thing properly. Whether that's going to make any difference, I'm not sure. Um, So I'm going to go this time. I'm going to go to minus 570, minus 230, 80. Yeah. So minus 570, minus 230, 80. Right. No. So I'm not going to go too far away. It's going the wrong way though. Where the hell has it just gone? Oh shit, I just spawned that mistake. I really need to follow it this time. You know what, I'm going to do it high up in the air so I don't lose it, because I've just fucking lost that one. Alright. Looks like the wrong place though, doesn't it? Oh fuck! Oh, I'm so stupid. I think I did that the same fucking time as well. Okay, so what I've done is I've changed a few bits, a few lines. I realized it was going to the Y before the Z. So what I need to do now is, okay, initialize location. Right. Why is that not returning the right value there? I must have done something wrong with before with the actual GPS setup. So minus 600, 90, so we say 100, and then minus 300. Why is it doing the Z first? And then why is it doing that now? Fuck. Alright, so I'm going to try like this. Okay, so welcome back to Minecraft. Wow. So I've got this turtle here. What I've decided to, there's a few things actually I want to point out before we do the test. One is that this program, this API only works when all three coordinates are positive, so they've all got to be positive. I mean, obviously the Y coordinate is. So what I've done is I've basically set up this. I set up another GPS array up here. So that's all been done basically. And yeah, and what I was doing is I just yeah, so, and there's a few other things I did. Also, I noted a few errors in what I wrote. One was that in the rednet line, I put open twice and it should have been closed at the end. The other thing is that, is that I did the X, Y, Z in the wrong order. It should be X, Z, then Y at the bottom. And beyond that, there were a few minor formatting errors, but beyond that, there was no problems really. So what I wanted to do is the fuel level is fine. So what I wanted to do is just to basically carry out the test. So we'll go into the Lua command line, and then we'll do we'll call the API, and we'll call this the function. So to initialize that, and then we're going to go to we'll look at our coordinates, which is 200.193.151. So we'll go to say 250, 250. Yeah, 250, 250, 200. So it'll be 250, 200, 250. So we'll do that. So we'll put go to, and then we'll go to 250, 200, 250. Got enough fuel, so this should be fine. And of course, you need to make sure that you're referencing the I just read the T API. So let's put that again, referencing the T API correctly, and that should now be fine. So here we see we're moving in the Z direction here. You can see it's north-south. We're heading south. I've just lost it again. Did I just break it? No. Okay. What's going on with this bobbing thing? It seems to be falling all the time. It's maybe time for me to start a new world. Because that is not supposed to happen. Actually, I'm not falling, am I? It just appears I was. Okay. So as you can see, it gets there. Then it goes, and then we start moving in the X direction. Where's it going now? Let's see where it says it is. Actually, that's come up. It's come up with the correct coordinates where it is. I'm not quite sure what's going on here. Let's just do 200, 200, 200. Alright, let me just check this. So that is 200. Is that 200? It's not 200. So yeah, the Z has worked out well. It's probably pretty close this time, actually. It's just easier to see it here. It's 7 away on the X and Z. Away, that's so funny. Why does he do this? Alright, let's have a look. That's not a good idea to put 0 on the Y. When it starts going down, I'm going to have to stop it. Actually, I may as well stop it now. Shit. I'm going to try something else. I'm going to get myself another turtle. Wireless mining turtle. I'm going to see what happens if I get it like this. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. No, I need to use the builder, don't I? Because I've set up the... Let me try this one. What did I change here? Oh, yeah. All right, so I'll go to 250, 100, 100. Oh, we can't fucking... Oh, you dumb shit. $203. All right, 203, 80, 100. See, it went on the X that time. Why is it still going up? Oh! Maybe not. Well, that's all for now. Okay, so we're back in Minecraft. What I've done is I had to sort out a few things in the code. First of all, I've actually put another array here because what you've got to realise is this API only works when all the X, Z, and Y are all positive. So that was a problem. I also had to change the rednet close thing because I put rednet open and close, and then at the bottom there's a few indentation things as well. And then at the bottom I had a problem with yeah, I had a problem. So basically, I had to put the GPS array all up here as well, and at the bottom, I had to put it was the order was wrong. It was X then Z and then Y, and I got that wrong several times. But I'm hoping now that actually it's actually going to work. So we'll go to the Lua command line. Then we'll do okay, initialize localization. Let's have a look at GPS locate. 195, 100, okay, correct. So we want to go to, this is fairly arbitrary at this stage. Don't think we need to actually do, well, I don't even know if this makes any difference. We'll see. Okay. Going in the Z direction first of all. Wow, what? And the X. I actually can't remember what I just put in. But you see it's working. It seems to be working pretty well now. I'm not sure if I've done it correctly though. What did I actually put in though? That's the problem. I said 220, 120, 100. Pretty far off. Well, gonna have to keep looking at it, I guess. I wonder what I could have done wrong. Alright.